Okay, I'm going to start my presentation today, and I chose the question, which should I design first, mobile site or desktop site? It has been very interesting to see the differences in between the mobile and the desktop, and what are the influences and what are people that really understand what they're talking about are saying. So according to Eric Schmidt, the Google chairman, the simple guideline is whatever you are doing, do mobile first. So it goes with what Luke is saying also, that we're going to talk about him later. His last name is a little bit hard to say, so I'll leave it for when I can read it. And also the Facebook director of design, she says we're just now starting to get into mobile first and then web second for a lot of our products. So it is also something that she's been doing there for Facebook. To Luke Wroblewski, who wrote the book Mobile First, there's him. He is a person that has been studying this subject very much. He has been a speaker in more than 50 places or countries also about the need and the importance of designing mobile first. And here I have a snapshot of the University of Chicago, and as you can see, it's incorporates a lot of what he talks about. It's clean, there's one menu, it's easy to navigate. So we're gonna go forward. So why mobile first? Mainly to take advantage of the mobile's uniqueness, the explosive growth of the use of mobile devices. The mobile design forces the designer to focus on the most important things, like content that can go into the device, the mobile web design, and also extend the capabilities of the mobile use. So explosive growth, mobile forces, and extends capability. There are some examples here of data. For example, because of smartphones, they surpass the combined global market of desktop, laptop, and notebook altogether. So smartphones are in a huge growth. And also, if on the bottom here, you can see that web-based email sites usage declined 6%. So people are sending their emails via mobile devices. It grew 36%, and the tendency is to grow more. So more people will be accessing websites on mobile devices than desktop computers any day now. Here are all the people there. Everybody has a smartphone. Now, forced to focus. Why forced to focus on what matters? Because the mobile device has its natural constraints. Small screen, sometimes slow connections, depending where you are. The connection might not be that good, so you need the design of the website, the mobile website needs to be well done, so it will, and cleaner to make the connection faster. So all these factors, small screen, slow connection, and context, focus on these things, or a strong catalyst for great web design. You see here the New York Times, how hard it is to see and all this information. So the main idea is to simply constrain, clean, less navigation bars, less content, less information, and make it easier for the user. Here's another example. This is much cleaner. And here is a great example that Luke gives, the Expedia website, and here is the mobile. American Airlines. So what does he need to know? He doesn't need to know all these details here that are on the website, the desktop website. If you go to the mobile, they're all here. Specifically what he needs. He doesn't need any of this right now. There's no time. It's on the go. With the mobile web, the user's on the go, like I just said. Connection is not always great, so fast mobile design experience needs to be created. Mobile capabilities which are different than the desktop capabilities. It's a multi-touch, where you can slide your finger, swap your finger, and you're going to be able to move around, navigate, and go to other pages. Location detection. On the mobile device, it's very easy to know exactly where you are when you have your cell phone or your iPod. It's easy to detect location. And user orientation. Here's another example of optimized mobile web design. Even Will Haidt, user experience director, he said a website without a strategy for mobile is most likely ignoring nearly half of its users today. And that number will only grow tomorrow. So it emphasizes what I've been reading here from other authors, that mobile is the future. So mobile design first. There's Flickr. Flickr will exemplify the location feature. So if you send a picture from where you are, people will know, or you will know exactly where you are, so you can send a picture in that sense. There is controversy, obviously. According to Cnide Bowles, I'm not sure how to pronounce his name, not necessarily mobile first. For him, this platformism, dividing the desktop and the mobile, is not something people should be doing. Designers should be focusing on the wider web with no separation. But that's a topic for another presentation. My bibliography is right here, and thank you for your attention. I hope you got something out of this.